So in this video, we're going to show you how our little portable vending station all comes apart. It doesn't require any tools. It's all made out of pressure treated material, so it can be rained on. You can add a paint or stain finish if you like as well. But the top here just comes right off. We'll show you how that all aligns when you put it back together. So the top comes off, and then we have 6 pins. And we can start with these 2 up top here. Now these 2 pins up top are held on with a wing nut, okay? And then right here, when we go to put this back together, this top is flush with the bar itself, okay? Now on the bottom, we have 4 additional pins. Now these do not require any wing nuts. So go ahead and just take these pins out. Now if you want to put wing nuts on there, you certainly can, but it's not really required. And then the bottom shelf will just lift off. Go ahead and put that over here. And then this, of course, will come and just fold just like that. So that becomes 1 additional piece. And then there's a shelf on the inside of the bar. And that shelf just lifts off. And then our bar itself can just fold up and you're ready to go. So those are the pieces of our bar. So then, put it back together, just put our shelf in place, like so. And then we'll take this, and again, to line this up initially, we want to make sure it's flush with the main bar itself, and then these pins won't have no problem going in. Just like that. Now, your lower shelf is going to be marked on the front. It'll say towards the front. Now, I know what the front is on this particular one, but it'll actually be marked. So you'll know which way is front. Now again, to line up your pins, flush on the back here, and then that pin will just line up perfectly. Same thing on this side. Our leg and our shelf are flush. This one out. See if we can get this one in. So this is the front of it. So when you have that gap, that's indicates the front. And the reason those cleats are there is because it'll line up with the base, and it can't go left to right or front to back. So those cleats line everything up, so it's kind of automatic alignment. And there you go. You're ready for business.